In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a 4-hour time frame on NinjaTrader. Now to do this, there's actually two ways. The first one is going to be applying it directly, so you can right-click anywhere in your chart and click on Data Series or press Ctrl+F on your keyboard. From here, you want to go to Data Series and type, you want to switch to a minute, and then the value you want to do at 240 because, of course, 240 minutes is going to be equal as 4 hours. Then click on Apply and OK, and there we go, you have a 240-minute one over here. However, that's only going to be on this chart, and of course, you can't actually change it later when you open up NinjaTrader again. So I'm actually going to go and cancel this, put it back to 1 minute, and if you want to make it a permanent, like a custom one, you can go to a minute up top or whatever you have the time frame and click on Configure. Then from here, go to Values and click on Add, and add a value which is going to be 240, and then click on OK. And now from here, if you do Apply and OK again, if you go to 1 minute up top, you can see under minute you now have the option of 240, which is basically 240 minutes, which is the same as 4 hours. So you can then set it up like this as well. So that's how to add a 4-hour time frame. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.